Happy New Year, guys! Happy New Year. Now, this is being filmed on the Samsung tonight, so I'm going to throw it in at the end of the video of the Silicone Case unboxing. Hey guys, today we're looking at the silicone cover for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. I've got it here. Now, I just want to say something before we get started. Happy New Year, people! We made it. Well, we just about made it to 2022. It's 11:14 p.m. right? So we've got about, 46 minutes to go, give or take. Let's see, 31st of the 12th, 2021. We're moving into 2022. I just want to wish all of you the most amazing new year, and I pray and hope and I send out my positive vibes to each and every one of you that you have the most blessed, the most amazing good luck and blessing and happy and love and everything you dream of may come true, if it's good. Okay, if it's good, may it come true for you in the new year. And thank you so much to all my subscribers, people who have stuck around and followed me. I've been in and out for a long time, and I've been gone for a long time. But thank you. You're all amazing, and I can't say thanks enough. You're just precious to me, so thank you very much. So, and to anyone new watching this video, guys, have the most wonderful new year. All right, let's see if I can get this unboxed. I'm gonna actually upload this because I want to say Happy New Year to everyone, and this is going up before the actual review of this phone, okay? Because there is so much detail in this phone. This thing is incredible. It's bringing me so much joy. I've just finished some of the unboxing to it. I'm still running through the stages of setting it all up, and then I've got to edit it all and make it all crisp and beautiful. So bear with me. You're going to see the case unboxing before you're going to see this, right? So, but it's coming. I promise it's coming. All right, so let's get this open so I can show you. Now, this is just a standard silicone case. Oh yeah. This is just the standard silicone case that you can get, and they range between, $70 up to $100, give or take. Sort of tells you there how to install it. It's not too hard, to be honest. There's not much in it. Now, as far as it goes for a protective case, I don't really think this is going to be a real true protective case. Okay, so this is the thin bezel at the front, I believe, and this will be, oh wow, the texture is awesome. It's orgasmic, it's gorgeous, it's beautiful. It's got this really soft silicone feel. Kind of reminds me of the old day when I first purchased this for my iPhone 6 Plus. The smoothness it had. Right now it's just so rough and sticky. It's gone old and stuffed up, but it's got that beautiful smoothness to it. It's incredible, absolutely beautiful feel. Let's pop it on, and it's really simple, right? So there's nothing much to this. It's pretty much you just pop it on and push it down. Now I went for black because I really love the black look, okay, especially when watching movies or gaming or doing anything like that. It just blends, but I do really love the silver and a white cover. That would have been another. I was very close on getting that, but I didn't. I went for the black. I love black. What can I say? Black's cool. It's a beautiful color, and that's how easy it is. Look at that. I've just popped it on, and yeah, that's it. That is it. That is it. Look how simple that was. And wow, it really brings a whole new level of grip feel to the phone, and I'm loving it so far, just from what I can feel underneath. Hey, look at this. So it's got this thing here. Let me just peel that. That, I'm guessing, is to stop it. Oh, and it's sticky. That's to stop it, I'm guessing, from sliding off, right? So you can't get this wrong. As you can see, it's got the round edges. Follow the round edges, right? And then you've got the straight edge, which is straight edge, and this sticky bit here, and it does feel sticky when I touch it. That's just to secure that it sits nice and snug and doesn't come off. Sort of an added extra snugness of protection. So I'm just popping that on there, pushing that down, pushing that in, and look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh wow, this is just what a feeling, what a feeling. I am thinking about getting a more sturdier, more sort of tougher protective screen. Only reason being is I've got to sort this out. I haven't sorted it out. Is because I feel that if I drop it with this, we may still do some damage. Like, it won't protect this part here, and I don't know if any of them will. And this is pretty solid, to be honest. But in terms of the edging here, it will protect. I reckon it'll protect in there. It'll be pretty unlucky for it to fall in any way and damage in there. It won't do nothing for the camera. I mean, I'm looking at this. Let's see if we can zoom you right in. See that? It's not flush, people. Like, it looks like it almost is. No, it's just flush. It's just flush. It's just flush. Just. Right, so putting it down, you've got to be careful. If you put it down and you sort of go like that, wow, yeah. It's just not enough. Not enough for me. So as you can see here, it is raised around the edges, so that makes it nice and clean and nice, and you could probably sit it on its face or the screen here and it will be okay and it won't scratch. But as far as it goes for sitting it, you know, to the sort of back of this, I don't really recommend. I don't recommend. I wouldn't do it. But other than that, it's a great case. I will be looking at getting a more sturdier case, and that's mainly because I want to find something that takes an S Pen without the current cover that they have that has this ugly floppy thing that sits over the top. I don't know if you've seen it in the stores. Yuck, not getting it. I want it open like this with an addition here which just has a pen, allows it to sort of fit it in somehow, and you know, just a more sturdier one in case I'm doing something that's a lot more physical, a lot more sort of hard, and you know, requires that little bit of extra sort of, you know, protection. Let's turn this down. I have to turn it down because it's so bright you can't really see the screen well. So that's it. That's the case from Samsung, the actual Samsung Silicone Case cover for the Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G, the official case. Let me know what you think about this, guys, and also just post in the comments of any cases you might have heard of or come across of, even if they're third party, it doesn't matter, because I'm on the lookout, man, and honestly, I'll review them and I'll get them if they're really cool and eye-catching. So yeah, post them in the comment section. If you've got any other questions about this, post it in the comment section. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs up. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'll be throwing up some more cool videos. And also, if you hit that notification button so you can be notified when I throw up some more cool videos, and you'll be able to sort of see that, and yeah, it'll be all cool. Alright guys, what do we got? It's 11:24. I think it's time I pack this up, get this uploaded quickly, and try and get into the house to spend New Year's with my wife and my kids as we go into the New Year's. I don't know if they're going to do any fireworks. They might, but I hope they do. We can go to the beach and see them from here. Anyway guys, again, I wish you all the blessings and all the good luck for year 2022. May it be great. May we be free and healthy and well. And may you all be blessed. Have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. Hey! Someone letting out a couple. Yay! Do you like the fireworks? Cool! Awesome. Dean said he was coming down too, but awesome. Hey, look at that, guys. Happy New Year. Woohoo. Luke, see you close? Lucas, don't wander off, bud. Stay close, yeah? Awesome. Look how packed it is all the way down there. Let's see if we can. All the way choppers. Oh well, we'll get to see how this holds up in night mode, I guess, during recording. The helicopters up top. Huh? Alrighty, they're doing really big ones down there, look. You can't see them though. Oh look, from here. From here. Can you see them? Yeah, they're all the way down there. They're the really big ones. That would have been nice to see. They're beautiful, those. They're the professional ones of it. See, I think if we were at home, we might have been able to see them a bit better. Maybe. I don't know. As I said, have a wonderful New Year's. We're in the new year. Let's stay positive. Let's stay, you know, hopeful, and no matter how hard things get, you know, always find source. Go to the deepest part of yourself, the true self that you are. May you all be blessed. Look at that. We've got lots of people out here. All right, over and out.